Hello dears, this is Nancy speaking from Qingdao Yichi Mechanical Technology Company. And today we have introduced one economical star painting machine. It is the model YSH-DPSM 2500B. This model can spring the doors, furniture bars, and the door frames. Also, as compared with the YSH-DPSM 2500A, it has including the air inlet and exhaust system. Also, if you use the PU paint, we have equipped with the water curtain for you. If you have any interest about this kind of machine, welcome to talk with us. Also, we have the other models of machines, like the CNC painting machine and the automatic painting line, according to your different requirements. What do you wait? Just contact us. Waiting for you here.
好。